do you want to incorporate more intuition and spiritual guidance into your business or your work? In this video, you're going to discover how you can use tarot in your business to make better decisions, align with your highest potential, manifest your goals, and navigate those ups and downs of business. Plus, I'm going to give you a behind-the-scenes look at the exact tarot tools and techniques that I use in my business. So if you're looking to bring more meaning and more soul to your work experience, then listen up, my friend, as we dive into how you can integrate this powerful tool in your business. Now, as a tarot-loving, heart-centered business owner, I love using tarot in my daily work because what it does, it really helps me connect to my intuition, align with my highest good, and make soul-guided decisions that support my business growth. And I fundamentally believe that it has helped me shape Biddy Tarot into what it is today, with millions of website visitors and tens of thousands of students. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you some of my best tools and techniques for using tarot in your business, from a simple daily card pull for focus and clarity, to gaining deep insight on your goals and your purpose, and navigating through those inevitable ups and downs of business. So let's get into it. All right, the first thing I want to share with you today is the daily card pull. Now, most mornings before I start working or I start in my business, I like to just take a moment just to tune into my intuition, my inner voice, just get a sense of where I'm at, and then pull a tarot card. Now, what I'm asking the tarot cards when I do my daily card pull, a couple of different things, and sometimes, I might alternate. So one of the things I love to ask is, what do I need to know today? So I pull that card and it kind of sets the energy or the focus for the day. Another question I love asking my cards before I get started with work is, where can I focus my energy for the biggest impact? So instead of just doing the death scroll on Instagram, I'm really tuning into, where can I have the biggest impact in my business? Here's another one. What can I do today to manifest my goals? Now, this is great if you have a financial goal for your business, or you want to attract a certain number of clients. Use the tarot cards and your intuition to really tune into, what's that one thing that I can do today to manifest my goals. Now, the reason I love this so much is because it integrates my intuition and my soul guidance into everything that I do. So that way I'm actively channeling my highest potential into my work. And what I particularly love about it, it is easy, it's simple. Anyone can do it, even if you're brand new to tarot. So definitely try out that first one, which is doing the daily card tarot pull. All right, so next technique I want to teach you is making decisions with tarot. Now, whenever I'm considering multiple options and I need a little bit of intuitive insight, of course, I turn to my tarot cards, because what this really helps me do is access my subconscious mind, my intuitive mind, and it gives me that extra insight that I may not be able to necessarily think my way through. So here's how I do it. I lay out the different decisions that I'm considering, and for each decision, I pull a tarot card. And what I'm using that tarot card for is not necessarily to predict the future if I take this path, but what is the energy around each option? Is it aligned with what I really desire in my business? And the thing to remember with making decisions with tarot is that the cards don't make the decisions for you, but they do offer another perspective. And so you really need to learn how to tune into your intuition, get that intuitive information, and then make that decision from in here. Okay, the third technique that I love to use is using tarot to really help me create aligned goals. So here's how to do this. What I do is I set an intention. So let's say it is about a financial goal for the business. And I might go, I would love to double my revenue this year. But then what I do is I actually create 3 different versions. So I create a comfy version, a not so comfy version, and a life-changing version. So what that might look like is, all right, I want to 2x my business. That feels comfortable. Maybe not so comfy is, oh, could I 3x it? And life-changing would be 5x. Now, what I'll do then is pull a tarot card for each of these different versions of the goals. And of course, it helps me to really feel into the energy of the goals, but equally it helps me see, what am I energetically aligned to? What is aligned to my highest good? Because sometimes we might think that that life-changing goal is the way to go, but actually it might be a more comfy goal that is more aligned to your greater good and your overall life goals. It also helps you to see, like, where am I actually playing small in my business, and where can I actually start to grow a little bit more, step outside of my comfort zone, and maybe I can achieve more than I even realize. So that's technique number 3, is using your tarot cards to help calibrate and align your goals. All right, ready for number 4? So this one is all about managing people dynamics. Okay, so this is great if you've got any team members in your business, or maybe you just connect with clients or suppliers or collaborators or customers and so on. And what inevitably happens with our connections with people, we experience times that may feel a little bit awkward, or maybe we're a bit angry with each other, or something's just not feeling right. So your tarot cards can be a great asset here. So this is what I love to do. I like to pull a tarot card for me in the relationship, a tarot card for them, and then a tarot card for the dynamic of the relationship. And doing this helps me to really navigate when I'm feeling out of sync with someone. I get a sense of, how am I showing up in this relationship? How are they showing up? And what is that dynamic connection? And then I can start to work out, all right, do I need to be more open? Do I need to be a bit more strategic? Do I need to listen more? Do I need to act more? And so on. All right, so next technique I'm going to share with you for using tarot in your business is you can actually use tarot cards when you are hiring people, or maybe you're thinking about, do I work with this supplier or should I work with this client? And I always like to pull a card before I interview someone. And here's the thing, it doesn't make the decision for us, but it does give us some insight into the pros and the cons of working with this person. And then we can calibrate that into our interview. So to be very clear, it doesn't go, okay, we're going to hire this person or we're not. But it does help me go, okay, what am I going to really ask about? What might be some of the red flags? How could this actually really work for us as well? All right, final one for you now is that there are many, many tarot spreads for business, but one of my favorites is the Wheel of the Year spread. Now, at the start of the year, or really whenever you feel called, because maybe you like to start your year in February or you like to start in July, whatever it might be, I just want you to pull a tarot card for every month in the next 12 months, and then pull a final card for the year overall. And what you can do with this beautiful spread is see what comes up for you and the business month by month. And you can start to look at the themes throughout the year. And you can also start to notice any blind spots or surprises and think about how you might be able to best prepare for these. And of course, always make sure that you take a photo or you write down your reading, so that way you can come back to it each month for those deeper insights. So imagine starting your month in your business, reflecting on that card. Okay, what lessons can I learn from that? How can I bring that into my month this time? And then really move forward with intention and purpose in your business. All right, so there you have it. You now have 6 ways that you can use tarot in your business for more clarity, more alignment, and more growth. And now, of course, tarot is intended for giving us that insight and the guidance, but ultimately you've got to remember that the decisions and the actions that you take are up to you. So you can use tarot as a source of inspiration and a source of guidance, but always use your own judgment and your own expertise to make the best decisions for you and your business. And if you want to incorporate more intuition and spiritual guidance into your business or your work, then click on the link below and join me in my free training. It's designed especially for heart-centered entrepreneurs just like you. I'll see you there. Hey, if you loved this video, then make sure you check out this next video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.